भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
For many, success is a result of privilege, opportunities, or resources. But the Eklavya Awards recognizes those who have achieved greatness through sheer determination, hard work, and an unwavering belief in their ability. Named after the legendary figure Eklavya, these awards embody the spirit of self-learning and overcoming obstacles. So today, we will dive into the remarkable journey of Eklavya Awards. But first, let's take a moment to explore who Eklavya was. In the ancient Indian mythology, Eklavya was a young and talented archer who, despite being denied formal training by his teacher, learned on his own. His dedication, self-discipline, and passion for his craft made him one of the greatest archers of his time. The Eklavya Awards honor this very essence: self-reliance, resilience, and the ability to create greatness even in the face of adversity. The Eklavya Awards were first introduced in the state of Madhya Pradesh in 1993. Over the time, other states adopted similar initiatives, creating a platform to celebrate rising stars in the sports. The awardees not only receive a trophy and a certificate, but also financial incentives to support their journey further. The first recipient of this award was Najib Agga, who was honored for his outstanding performance in sports by the government of Karnataka. Over the years, many young athletes have been recognized. Notably, Palak Sharma, a diver from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, was bestowed with Eklavya Awards at the age of 16, making her one of the youngest recipients. Her dedication and achievements in diving have truly been inspiring. As for the oldest recipient, Sudhir Parab, an 82-year-old coach and India's first Arjuna awardee in Kho-Kho, who continues to mentor young athletes at Vadodara Youth Service Centre. He was awarded the Arjuna in 1970 and Eklavya Awards twice. Parab has been instrumental in promoting Indian sports and has produced numerous national-level players over the last 5 decades. If we talk about recent events, in 2024, the 32nd Eklavya was awarded to Prayastha Ray, a promising swimmer from Odisha. She received a cash prize of Rs 7 lakh and a citation for her exceptional performance in the sport. Additionally, sprinter Dondapati Mrityum Jayaram and badminton player Tanvi Patri were honored with special citations for their outstanding contribution on both national and international platforms. Each received a cash prize of 1.5 lakhs and a citation. What makes the Eklavya Awards so special is that they are about more than just medals and trophies. They are about resilience, the spirit of sportsmanship, and the recognition of those who represent India's immense potential on the world stage. Now, let's talk about the different categories that are present under the Eklavya Awards. The first category is Eklavya Award for Excellence in Education. This celebrates those who have worked tirelessly to provide accessible education to underprivileged communities, bridged educational gaps, and empowered the next generation with the tools to succeed. And then comes the Eklavya Award for Social Impact, goes to those who have made lasting changes in their communities. Whether it's through fighting for gender equality, providing healthcare in remote areas, or creating sustainable initiatives, this award honors the change makers who have committed themselves to improving the lives of others. For the third category, there is Eklavya Awards for Innovation. This award recognizes those who have introduced groundbreaking ideas or innovations, whether in technology, business, or even arts. These individuals are visionaries who dare to think outside the box and make things happen. And finally, the Eklavya Lifetime Achievement Award. This prestigious award is given to individuals whose lifetime of contributions has left an incredible mark on their field. It's an honor received for those who have continuously inspired and led others to greatness. Each of these categories reflect the diversity of human achievement. The Eklavya Awards remind us that greatness isn't defined by fame or recognition that comes with it, but by the impact we have on the world around us. But the Eklavya Awards aren't just about the awards. They're about telling the stories of those who inspire us, who prove that obstacles can be overcome with dedication and that success is not defined by where you start but where you finish. The awards celebrate not only the winners but also the message these awards carry, that with determination, resilience, and clear vision, anyone can achieve greatness. Eklavya as a symbol reminds us that no challenge is unachievable if we keep working towards our goals with dedication and passion. So the next time you face a challenge or feel like the odds are stacked against you, remember the story of Eklavya. It's the spirit of self-belief, perseverance, and the will to push forward no matter the obstacles. That's what the Eklavya Awards stand for. And with this, I, Muskan, bid a farewell. Thank you for joining us on this journey of inspiration. And I encourage each of you to continue striving for excellence in whatever you do. Remember, the path to greatness isn't always easy. But with hard work and commitment, you can achieve it. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and do subscribe to Bharati News. Thank you so much.